Hello guys, and this is my first YouTube video, but whatever. So, I'm gonna be talking about my homemade and annoying noise maker. As you can see, it really does work. So what the equipment you'll need is one paper clip, a blank piece of paper, and scissors. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut this thing and then cut it some more to make sure it's equal length and width. Then you're gonna fold it in half and fold it this way on each side, like this. Then what you're gonna do is this is really easy, so you should be able to. But you can also tear out a page from a notebook or anything, as long as it's a paper. And probably if you have something short enough, you won't even need it. But you put the paper clip up here, see? And then what you do, you put your two fingers right here, open this up just a tiny crack, and then blow.